how's it going? Getting ready to go fly a little bit this morning before work. Haven't been able to do much this week with the weather. Had a lot of wind advisories, 20 to 30 mile an hour winds with 40 mile an hour gusts, but winds are a little low this morning, so I'm gonna go out to my buddy's house, do a little flying with the Redcat. Excited to get out there finally with some good weather. Yeah, that's about it. We're gonna see what happens. Hopefully I get some good news and some good videos for you once I get back. See if I've learned anything or been able to do anything new or progress with my drone piloting. So let's see what happens. Short review. I sucked. Couldn't do anything right. Crashing right off the get-go. Not a good day of flying. Probably the worst day of flying since I started doing this, besides maybe the first day when I got my Torrent 110 and had about an hour before the winds picked up. But regardless of the winds, I just couldn't do anything right. Crashing all over the place. Don't know what else to say. Even got out my little Inductrix FPV. Always like to end on a good note if I've had a bad day of flying. But the winds had picked up to about 25 to 30 and that thing's pretty light. It was getting blown all over. Had to go into the woods a few times on both drones, the Redcat and the Inductrix. Got pretty scratched up. But yes, very frustrating day. Even a little video plug in the back of the Redcat. This little teeny thing, you can't even see it, but right there's a little plug. I was told if you remove that, it would improve the quality of the video. Through my Fat Shark goggles, they were breaking up pretty bad, so not sure about that one. I have to look into that, but we'll get back at it. We'll see if we can improve on today and learn some things. Also, what I would say about today is I never had a plan. Just went out there, started flying immediately. Wrecked, got frustrated, and then just kept on wrecking and not improving or working on anything, which is never good. Gotta have a plan, gotta know what you're gonna do, unless you're a master flyer and you just can go out there and fly away. But I'm trying to learn the basics, the ABCs. But all right, we'll see what we can do next time. Take care. Today stunks. I don't know what's going on there. Couldn't do anything right. Bad flying. I sucked. I'm trying to learn the basics. Wrecked. Gotta have a plan. Not good. No explanation. Yes. Definitely need to work on some things.